Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today I'm going to show you our 64 Chevy Biscayne. This is a car I originally bought out of Arizona. Had a big block in it. I sold it to a guy here locally. He took the big block out and put a fresh 350 in it. He likes small blocks better than big blocks, but he likes sleeper cars. So it's got brand new 350 in it. Runs great, power brakes, no power steering. You can see the chrome's all in nice shape. My body shop painted this car a year ago, and as you can see, it's got a great shine to it. So this is a car nice enough to show. Definitely will get some attention at the shows or the cruise-ins. For one thing, because it's a Biscayne. Cool car, the old sleeper cars. So he had the seats all redone on it, so they all look nice. Got probably an original headliner in it, probably. And I think they did something. I think they re-vinyled the door panels. It has a factory tack, fuel gauge, added a Kenwood stereo system, and aftermarket gauges. And then this is what makes it nice, fun sleeper, the old 4-speed manual transmission. So, carpet's in good shape. Except I got one spot right there where somebody must have cut in the wrong spot. So that is the only flaw on the interior. Original steering wheel still. Like I said, paint's great, got a great shine to it. It didn't have any rust when I got it. It was just faded from the Arizona sun. So we run it through our shop and didn't hardly need any body work. It was just mainly a sand and paint. So not a lot of flaws to show you, because it is probably don't have 200 miles on the paint job, so not any rock chips for the most part that I know. He added the red stripe in the trim and then put the 327 bow tie on there. So it kind of sets it off a little bit, gives it a kind of a neat look. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.